UCC KAWA ICT Clubs. Our training targets students and teachers seeking to improve their practical skills and software development career growth in Python, cloud and blockchain technologies, including additional foundational data science and AA training as well. Building capacity to create innovative solutions with emerging technologies. Programming languages for ICT Club, from striving to thriving. 1. Java. 2. JavaScript. 3. PHP. 4. Python. 5. C++. 6. C#. 7. Ruby. 8. HTML5. 9. CSS. 10. Kotlin. 11. Swift. 12. SQL. Popular preferred development frameworks for ICT Club Tech members. 1. React. 2. AngularJS. 3. Spring. This is the most popular application development framework for enterprise Java. Millions of developers around the world use Spring Framework to create high-performing, easily testable, and reusable code. Spring Framework is an open-source Java platform. 4. Express.js. Express. Node.js web application framework. Express.com. Express is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that provides a robust set of features for web and mobile applications. 5. Django, the web framework for perfectionists. www.djangoproject.com. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. 6. Ruby on Rails, a web app framework that includes everything needed to create database-backed web applications according to the Model View Controller (MVC) pattern. 7. React Native combines the best parts of native development with React, a best-in-class JavaScript library for building user interfaces. 8. Pyramid. 9. Netcore. 10. Wordpress. 11. NodeJS. What ICT clubs can build? 1. Web and cloud-based apps. 2. Android apps. 3. iOS apps. 4. Desktop apps. 5. Games. 6. Robotics. 7. Blockchain decentralized apps. Tech career specialty you can take. 1. Front-end developer. 2. Back-end developer. 3. Full-stack developer. 4. Mobile developer, iOS, Android, etc. 5. Desktop developer, Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. 6. Cybersecurity. 7. DevOps. 8. Cloud developer. 9. Data analyst/scientist. 10. Blockchain developer. Which emerging technology fascinates you the most? 1. Artificial intelligence, AA. 2. Machine learning. 3. Blockchain. 4. Augmented reality and virtual reality. 5. Internet of Things, IoT. 6. Computer vision. www.kawa.ac. WhatsApp 0772580086.